Hello, and I'm Dr. Marvin Firth of County Equine and Canine Chiropractic, and this is the first video blog or vlog that we have created, and that will be accessible both via social media and via our new website at www.countyequine.co.uk. And the idea behind these new video blogs or online demonstrations and lectures are to basically outline what I see on a day-to-day basis and explain how what my work can kind of do to improve either performance or comfort levels in both horses and dogs that I see on a day-to-day basis. A lot of people have practitioners already coming to see their animals, and so it's kind of a good idea just to recap on how both chiropractic and acupuncture might actually assist certain cases. And over the next few weeks we'll be looking at certain common conditions as well which may affect your horses or your dogs. And so if there are any particular areas which you'd like to know a little bit more about and which I might be able to tell you a little bit more about, then do just let me know via either the social media or the website, and I'll hopefully be able to put something together to try and help with that. So this is kind of a new way of presenting education, as it were, to owners. Often we do client evenings, or obviously on our consultations we try and advise as much as possible, but hopefully through this new media people can review what we've been over in consultations, and also gain a little bit more knowledge and a bit more expertise in certain areas, again, to help either in the training of their horse or just general understanding as well. So hopefully it's all going to be relevant to people, or if not, then just interesting. So again, let me know if there is anything that we can cover or broach, and we'll certainly try to do our best. But just as a quick overview, both the practice and myself, we're effectively the same. County Equine is me, Dr. Marvin Firth, and I've worked in equine and first opinion general practice as well as referral hospitals in the past. And what we're aiming to do in County Equine is obviously bridge that gap between both traditional veterinary medicine and the additional therapies of chiropractic and acupuncture. So there's a bit of a holistic approach to how we're dealing with horses and with dogs, and what we aim to do is try and improve both, as I was saying before, the mobility and the comfort levels in those animals. So either that they perform better in terms of the horses and the performance horses that we see, or that their function is even just as a riding horse, general riding horse, is a little bit easier and easier for the rider, and also for the dogs that we see, obviously that their comfort levels are improved and their mobility is even better. So a particular group of those would be, for example, older dogs or those with systemic or generalised arthritic conditions as well. So on a day-to-day basis we will see a variety of horses and dogs with a variety of complaints, but quite common typical trends. And so what we will do over the next few weeks is have a look at those trends and see what type of cases are coming up on a day-to-day basis, so that hopefully everyone can kind of gain from what we're seeing and the advice that we're giving. So obviously these consultations are a general overview, and it never kind of replaces a consultation probably with your veterinary surgeon or your chiropractor or acupuncturist. And so it's worthwhile bearing that in mind, that every case is treated individually, and as part of the process here at County Equine or Canine Chiropractic, we do review the full history of those animals that we're seeing before we go out. And as a consequence, we have a better understanding of both that client's needs and obviously that animal's needs, so we can take that into account when we're having those consultations. So this is a bit of a test so far, so hopefully it's all coming across clear, and you can pick up this video quite well. And as I was saying before, if there are any areas which you particularly like to be covered, then this is hopefully going to be a new way in which we can deliver a bit of education and a bit of training for people. And also there'll be client events and client evenings that I'll be talking at and giving demonstrations at as well. So hopefully you won't get sick of the sight of me, and it will be quite informative for people as well. So I will leave that there for today, but as I say, do check out our new website, which is at www.countyequine.co.uk or countycaninechiropractic.co.uk. They're now merged, so you can see details of both canine and equine conditions and what we're treating as the practice. And again, feel free to contact us either via social media or via the website, and we can either give you further advice, organise consultation, or through the media, social media and the vlogs that we're producing now, hopefully give